5 people that have used this hair serum have a tremendous positive feedback about it, that has done wonders and miracles for them. They love it. It has grown their hair. It has grown their edges back. Make sure you watch this video till the end to get to know all the benefits of each ingredient that we put in this video. Cucumbers are normally overlooked when it comes to growing hair. A few people know about it. So my friends, my family, gather here so we can grow our hair together. If you're bald, this serum will help you to grow your hair back. Hello friends and family, thanks for being on this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Cucumber promotes hair growth, reduces hair fall, and strengthens hair follicles. It repairs hair follicles, increases shine, promotes hair growth. Cucumber reduces thinning, thickens your hair, not forgetting, of course, adding shine to your hair follicles. So all those benefits, you will find them in cucumber. Whereas onions combats dandruff, strengthens hair strands, they promote hair growth as well, because onions contain nutrients which are very good for your scalp and hair follicles. Cucumbers reduce hair thinning, they thicken the hair, and they add shine to your hair. So you need all that to your hair, guys, for it to grow healthy. Whereas onions, they promote hair growth, they have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, plus they combat dandruff. So when you mix these two, my friends, you will make this magical hair serum that will grow your hair non-stop till you will even feel like cutting it off. We are going to grate our cucumber, but if you have a blender, you can use a blender. But this video caters for each and everyone, whether you have a blender or not. We are going to make this hair serum for your hair growth. I'm going to grate our cucumber. After grating it, we do the same to our onion. Then after, we are going to sieve it. We need juice from it only. The rest, you can use them as a scrub for your face or a face mask. So they are all beneficial to your face and to your skin. As you can see, we are done sieving. Then we are going to add in an egg. Eggs are very beneficial to your hair and scalp. They contain vitamins A, E, and D. They strengthen the hair, promotes scalp health, reduces breakages, and as well as adding shine to your hair. After putting this hair serum, your hair will be shining like never before. It will look nice, it will be soft, smooth, moist. I love this serum, guys. I'm not trying to promote it, but it is the best. Then next, we are going to add in our 2 tablespoons of castor oil. We are using regular castor oil. Guys, castor oil is the best oil also for your hair growth. Castor oil increases moisture on your scalp or in your hair. It also reduces breakage and promotes hair growth. So it's it has benefits, like a lot of them, for your hair. It reduces frizz in the hair, and it elevates dandruff, plus adding shine to your hair. So it has numerous benefits. You can put this hair serum in your water bottle spray, or you can put it in a glass jar, anywhere you want to put it. Here we go, it's ready to be used. So what we are going to do, we are going to put it on our scalp. Yes, we are going to massage it on our scalp. It's also safe for children to use. Don't get scared. It's for all ages. So while you apply it, put it on your scalp, then massage it. Leave it to sit on like for 2 hours, 30 minutes, even 1 hour. It depends the time you have. But I would recommend 2 hours. Then afterwards, you can wash it. Just use warm water to wash it out. So you can use it as an after shampoo. Yes, as your conditioner, leave-in conditioner. But of course, you have to wash it out using just warm water. Yes, guys. You see, as you can see, we used it on our baby. And it's very, very, very nice. You will see the results. I don't know if guys you noticed how her hair was looking like before we put on the serum. But it's worth it, guys. It's worth it. You can have a try on it if you have your time, maybe like during weekends. So there we go. I really recommend it. We have more videos about hair growth on this channel, and also a video about after we washed it out, this is how her hair came out. Bye bye, see you in the next video.